when in the reality we are in the silence of nature, is where we can watch ourselves from outside. That is what happened to me in the mountains. I was able to get my soul out of my body and watch myself and see my pain, see the torture that it was causing me my pain. And at that point, I truly said, in these last years, I have suffered so much that I don't want to suffer anymore. I decided, because we can decide to end our sufferings, we decide how much we suffer or how much we want to suffer, because many times it's like we're happy to suffer. I decided to stop to cry for pain. I just want to cry for happiness.